and welcome back to Tree! If you are a fan of the natural world and things that are both intriguing and slightly creepy, then today's video is definitely for you. Today we are going to unravel the mystery of a truly unique plant species, nicknamed the silent predator of the jungle. That's right, we are talking about the pitcher plant or Nepenthes. The pitcher plant, belonging to the genus Nepenthes, has captivated the attention of botanists and explorers for centuries. One of the earliest records of the pitcher plant dates back to 1677, when Bartholinus briefly mentioned a species from Sri Lanka, calling it Miranda herba, strange herb. In 1753, the famous botanist Carolus Linnaeus officially published the genus name as Nepenthes in his work Species Plantarum, with the type species being N. Distillatoria endemic to Sri Lanka. The genus Nepenthes consists of tropical plants with a wide distribution, mainly concentrated in Southeast Asia, Indonesia, Malaysia, Philippines, Vietnam, and extending to China, Madagascar, the Seychelles, Australia, New Caledonia, India, and Sri Lanka. Pitcher plants often grow in areas with high humidity and heavy rainfall. They are climbing plants that live in acidic and particularly nutrient-poor soils. The predatory mechanism of the pitcher plant is extremely sophisticated and effective, allowing the plant to attract, capture, and digest prey. The pitcher has vibrant colors, brown, purple, green, and attractive patterns to lure insects, flies, ants, beetles. Inside the pitcher is a viscous liquid, a mixture of rainwater and digestive enzymes. This fluid can be sweet or have an attractive scent. The rim surrounding the pitcher opening is called the peristome. It is often brightly colored and secretes sweet nectar to draw in prey. The surface of the peristome is extremely slippery when wet, causing insects to lose their footing. The inner walls of the pitcher are very sleek and may have small downward-pointing hairs. When prey touches the slippery peristome or slides inside the pitcher, they fall into the digestive fluid and cannot escape. The lid does not snap shut like some other carnivorous plants, but primarily functions to prevent rainwater from entering too much and diluting the digestive enzymes. It may also have translucent cells, causing insects to mistake it for a patch of sky. Digestion and symbiosis. After the prey falls into the fluid, digestive enzymes break down the soft tissues of the prey, releasing nutrients, especially nitrogen, which the plant absorbs through the pitcher walls. The digestion process can take several days or longer. The inside of the pitcher is also a miniature ecosystem containing various organisms such as fly larvae, mosquitoes, nematodes, and bacteria. These organisms can live in the digestive fluid unharmed and may even help the plant decompose prey faster. Some Nepenthes species like N. raja and N. lowi in Borneo have a special symbiotic relationship with mountain shrews or bats. They do not prey on these animals but provide a safe place for them to rest or nest. In return, the plant absorbs the animals' feces that fall into the pitcher as a rich source of nutrients. Development practices. Nepenthes reproduces both sexually and asexually. The seeds of the pitcher plant are very small, thin, and have a poor germination rate in nature, making natural regeneration a slow process. The pitcher develops from the tip of the leaf. Initially, it is a small bud, which then grows larger, opens its lid, and begins to secrete digestive fluid. Mature plants typically reach maturity after about 4 years. Pollination process. The pitcher plant is a dioecious species, meaning male and female flowers are on separate plants. This forces the plant to cross-pollinate to produce seeds. Nepenthes flowers grow in upright clusters, typically blooming in summer and autumn. As a dioecious plant, Nepenthes relies primarily on insects, usually flies, beetles, or other small insects, to transfer pollen from the male plant to the female plant. In summary, the pitcher plant Nepenthes is not just an ordinary carnivorous plant. It is an evolutionary marvel that has developed sophisticated survival and predatory mechanisms, from its slippery pitcher traps to its unique symbiotic relationships with mammals. Its existence in nutrient-poor environments is the most eloquent testament to the adaptive power of nature. I sincerely thank you for taking the time to listen and explore the mysterious world of Nepenthes with me. If you have any questions about the history, habits, or predatory mechanisms of this plant, I would be happy to answer them. Thank you and see you again.